Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is December 10th, 2025, and we're diving into VersaBank's latest earnings report. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. VersaBank has just released its fourth quarter and full-year results for fiscal 2025, and there's a lot to unpack, especially with their strong growth in digital banking and record revenue figures.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. VersaBank reported a total revenue of $35.1 million for the fourth quarter, marking a 29% increase year over year. However, net income saw a slight decline. John, can you explain this dynamic?
Absolutely. The revenue growth is primarily driven by the expansion of their receivable purchase program, both in the U.S. and Canada. Despite the revenue increase, net income decreased to $5.2 million due to one-time reorganization costs and higher tax provisions. However, the adjusted net income, which excludes these one-time costs, surged by 91% to $10.5 million, reflecting the underlying strength of their operations.
And how did they perform in terms of earnings per share?
VersaBank's adjusted earnings per share came in at 33 cents, significantly beating the analyst forecast of 20 cents. This is a testament to their operational efficiency and strategic growth initiatives.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's talk about operational efficiencies. VersaBank's net interest margin improved to 2.29%. What does this indicate about their business model?
This improvement in net interest margin highlights VersaBank's ability to manage costs effectively while expanding their credit assets. Their digital banking revenue increased by 31% year over year, driven by the receivable purchase program, which grew by 22%. This shows that their business model is not only scalable, but also highly efficient.
Looking ahead, what can we expect from VersaBank in terms of growth?
VersaBank is poised for continued growth, particularly in their RPP portfolio in both the U.S. and Canada. They are also planning to launch tokenized deposits, which could open new revenue streams and enhance their competitive edge in the digital banking space.
CEO's vision and strategic initiatives. David Taylor, the CEO of VersaBank, has been quite vocal about the bank's strategic direction. What are the key takeaways from his statements?
David Taylor emphasized the momentum in their digital banking business, particularly the growth in their RPP portfolio. He highlighted the upcoming launch of tokenized deposits, which could revolutionize their deposit strategy. Additionally, their partnership with ECN Capital is expected to drive further growth in the U.S. market.
How do these initiatives align with their long-term strategy?
These initiatives are perfectly aligned with their strategy to leverage technology for growth and efficiency. By focusing on digital banking and innovative financial solutions, VersaBank is positioning itself as a leader in the digital banking sector.
Key takeaways. In summary, VersaBank has delivered a strong performance with significant revenue growth and a substantial beat on adjusted EPS. Their focus on digital banking and strategic initiatives like tokenized deposits and partnerships are setting the stage for future growth. John, any final thoughts?
VersaBank's results demonstrate their robust business model and strategic foresight. Investors should keep an eye on their expansion in the U.S. and Canada, as well as their innovative financial solutions, which could drive long-term value.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on VersaBank's performance in the comments below.